Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the backtesting in the web version. Clicking on three horizontal lines, then in the analytical tools, you have the backtesting, or you can also search in the search symbol. Backtesting is a tool where you can make your own strategies and can backtest them since inception or for a time period. Moving towards the tool, first you have the symbol. Here you can select your desired index or stock for which you want to make a strategy and want to see the backtesting of it. Let's take Nifty as of now. Then by default you have a time frame of 3 years. You also have the option to backtest your strategy since inception. As of now, we are testing the strategy for the last 6 months, that is year 2020, and I am taking March and March 24, the day where Nifty had its low and started to gain again. Then we have the option for the add leg. Here, selecting on the add leg, we have the symbol, then we have the quantity. You can also change the quantity and can increase or further can decrease it. Then you have the option to select call or the put. We are taking the call and then we are selecting buy option. Moving ahead, you have the two options, strike and delta. First we will look what strike means here. Selecting at strike and entering the value 0, which means at the money option. Now if we are taking value of positive 1, it means for the call option we are taking one strike out of the money option from at the money option, and for the put it will mean we are taking one strike out of the money option from at the money option. So we are taking 0. This means at the money option. Then we also have the option of delta. Delta here, if we are selecting 50, it means we are taking at the money option, and if we are taking anything above 50 till 100, it means we are taking in the money option. Whereas if we are taking below anything 50, it means we are taking out of the money option. So let's select strike as of now. We will select 0 and enter. Now as we are making bull call spread, we will add one more leg. Now we have the symbol, then quantity. Now we will select call option, then we will select sell, and here we are taking 4 strike out of the money option from at the money option. So we will select 4 and we will add it. Moving ahead, you have the trade expiry, in which you have two options. First one is monthly and second one is weekly. Suppose if you want to backtest your strategies based on the monthly expiry, you can select monthly, and if you want to see your backtest strategies based on the weekly, you can select weekly. As we are taking monthly, then you have the trade initiation. It means how many days before the expiry you are initiating your trade. Let's take 20 days. It means I am executing my strategies 20 days before the expiry. Then we have the additional filter of OI and the volume. You have noticed here it has a greater mark sign. It means if I am taking 5000 in the OI, then I want my OI data to be more than 5000. In the same way, if I am taking volume to be 10,000, I want my volume to be more than 10,000. Now moving to the last, that is trade exit. Here it means how many days before the expiry you want to exit your trade on the day of expiry, and if I am taking 2 days, it means 2 days before the expiry I want to exit my trade. So let's take 0. Then you have the additional features, in which you have the target profit and the stop loss. Suppose you have the target profit of 10,000 in each strategy. You can select as per your accordance. Then you have the stop loss, where you want to keep the stop loss for each strategy. This stop loss depends on your risk capabilities. I am taking 5000 as of now. Now, on the basis of the input given to the algorithm, I will backtest my strategy. Clicking on backtest, as you can see, we have the statistical and the graphical representation of our backtest strategy for the last 6 months. On the statistical side, we can see we have the strike rate of 67% and the profit and loss for this strategy is 14,000 and the profit factor is 2.24. As we can see, in the last 6 months, we have the 6 total count in which 2 was in loss and 4 was in profit. Further, you can see the maximum win and the maximum loss, and in the same way you have the average win profit and loss and average loss profit and loss. Moving to the payoff chart here, as we can see, the orange line indicates the payoff. Then you have the different chart views. Here you have the bar chart. Here you will get the more detailed about the payoff. As you can see, on the date April 30, 2020, we have the profit and loss of 7038. Then on the next month 22 May, we had a loss of 5200. In the same way, you can see the month-wise profit and loss on a bar graph. Then in the table view, you have the each trade, in which you have the entry date and the exit date and the total MTM from that particular month. You can see the leg-wise strike price and the profit and loss. Then you also have the option to export these strategies via mail. Lastly, in the same way, you can also select your symbol, then can select your time frame for which you want to test your strategy. Then you can add your leg for the strategies, can select trade expiry, trade initiation, trade exit. Then you also have some additional filters of OI and the volume. Then you also have the target profit for the strategy and the stop loss. And on the basis of your input, you will have the payoff chart and the statistical data for it. Thank you.